Hi everyone, I'm Darren. I'm working for the Keewin display company. Our company is professional doing the LCD product by providing different solutions. In front of us, it's Windows display, which is our company's another special production line. This is a 55-inch double-side Windows display. One side, 3,000 nits, another side, 700 nits. It was controlled by the Android system. And this one is much pretty. This is a 37-inch, the double-side Windows display. It is super slim with only 12 millimeters. And it was also controlled by the Android system, so people can easily to input any information that they want and load in any picture they want, then play the advertising for the people. These are also the Windows display, but with a different thickness and size. This is a 43-inch with 22 millimeters thickness and double side with 700 nits, and also controlled by the Android system. And this is an entire different design. For one side 700 nits, another side 1,500 nits, and also controlled by the Android system. So as you can see, it's a complete whole production line. For more information, please visit our website www.keewindisplay.com. Thank you.